With just 23 days until a December 11th government shutdown deadline, congressional lawmakers are hoping to reach an agreement on an omnibus spending bill by the end of the week as coronavirus cases surge and millions of Americans face the looming loss of critical pandemic relief benefits. At a press briefing on Wednesday, Pelosi said that while she didn't know whether COVID-19 relief could be part of the spending bill lawmakers are working on, "We will pass an omnibus, we are on a good path to do that." Gordon Gray, director of fiscal policy at the American Action Forum, a conservative think tank, told Roll Call that he would "peg the odds as pretty low" that Congress can pass an omnibus spending bill and a COVID-19 relief bill before year's end. "They're just not on the same page on COVID, and I don't see much incentive to agree to an omni," he said. 12 million. That's how many Americans could lose their unemployment benefits on December 26 if Congress doesn't act to extend two pandemic unemployment programs, according to a new report from the Century Foundation. Senate Republicans last week released their opening offer for the omnibus legislation, a $1.4 trillion package consisting of 12 separate bills that would significantly boost funding for health research, NASA, and veterans programs and allocate nearly $2 billion for a border wall. Democrats including Senator Patrick Leahy, DVT, Vice Chairman of the Senate Appropriations Committee, have criticized that package because it does not include coronavirus relief. Politico reports that Democrats are also pushing for more funding for the Department of Labor, the Department of Health and Human Services, and provisions related to environmental conservation and police reform. White House Chief of Staff can't guarantee U.S. government will avert December shutdown. Washington Post, Jamie Dimon slams politicians for childish behavior, urges Washington to pass stimulus and move on. Forbes, Pelosi and Schumer urge McConnell to resume stimulus negotiations as COVID-19 cases skyrocket. Forbes, Senate Republicans release $1.4 trillion spending plan, without COVID-19 relief, ahead of December 11th government shutdown deadline. Forbes.